Today, we are going to talk about one simple but critical question: who can become root on your servers? In many environments, the answer is not that simple. You need to check groups, sudoers files, local permissions, inherited access, exceptions added months ago. And sometimes, nobody really knows whether those permissions are still needed. This is exactly the kind of question an auditor, a CISO, or an IT manager may ask. And when the pressure is on, teams often have to rebuild the information manually. With ManageLM, you can get clear visibility into privileged access: who has rights, where, and with what level of privilege. The goal is not just to produce a list. The goal is to understand the operational risk behind that list. Because a forgotten root access is not just a configuration line, it is an open door into your infrastructure. And the faster you can see it, the faster you can act. Can you quickly answer who has privileged access across your servers? Share how you handle this in the comments.